Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh. Check out this 2023 Sequoia and what we did to it. This is a midnight black Sequoia Platinum, and it's got a combination of retro, cool, and tough. First of all, you'll see the lift. We added the Toyota Heritage Grille, so nostalgia. To me, it looks tougher, more retro, just cooler in general. I just love that grille. And then we've got an Icon 4.5-inch lift. So we'll check that out. And then the wheels and tires, we'll show those off as well. Here we go. We've got mud terrain tires and Method wheels added to it. See if I can get this into focus so you can see the tire information. Here we go. Somebody walked up to me and said, "Is that a Sequoia?" Just totally changes the whole look, the whole vibe of this beast. Not the easiest thing in the world to do, but let's see if we can show you some of the components here in the rear. We'll go underneath for this one. Then we'll show you the front. All right, how's that look? Thanks for watching, everybody. How would you customize your Toyota truck or SUV? What's the ideal build here? Thanks for watching. We appreciate you following us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Fred Anderson Toyota, and we'll see you next time.